Good morning, guys. So last week, Mr. Zuckerberg went to Washington, and you and your clients might have some questions about what that means for Facebook advertising. Your clients specifically, their questions might look like this. And with that, I watched 10 hours of a congressional hearing so you didn't have to. So I can give you the 7 things you need to know about Facebook advertising. All right, so the first question we're getting is, are there changes coming to Facebook? And the answer to that is yes. They are eliminating what is known as the partner program. These are things like Axiom and Oracle data that are layered on top of Facebook campaigns. Those things are going away on June 30th.
Which leads you to question number 2, is this gonna affect my campaigns? And the answer to that one is no. Which leads us to number 3, and for number 3, I'm gonna turn to Nick Bailing.
Should I stop advertising on Facebook, Nick? No.
Thanks, Nick. And what he means by that is Facebook is still the biggest platform in the social space, which means if your clients are trying to reach their customers are still on Facebook. What I've been saying is, in marketing and sales, we are doing what people do, not what people say. People might be saying right now, I'm gonna leave Facebook, but they're not gonna leave Facebook. In fact, they're not leaving right now. Some of our clients are having their best years ever in the social space, specifically Facebook and Instagram. So should you be there? Yes, you should be there. Should you cancel your ads? No, you should not. Which leads me to the next point, is that this should be a robust conversation and an opportunity for you to talk to your clients about first-party data versus third-party data, and why a collection of first-party data becomes super important as things start to change, as they continually change in the digital ecosystem. If you need a primer for them, you can go to the MMG YouTube page. I did a video about why first-party data in light of the testimony is super important for your clients and their brands.
6th thing you need to know is the acronym GDPR. What does it stand for and what does it mean? It stands for General Data Protection Regulation, and it's a law in the EU to protect users' privacy. And they're talking about it because in the EU they're way more stringent on privacy than we are here in the States. All right, so the 7th and a half points are why us. Could your customers do it themselves? Of course they could, but we sat through 10 hours of testimony to understand the exact effect it's gonna have on their existing campaigns and their campaigns in the future. So could they? Yeah. Is it a good idea? Not at all. And then the final one is, when we're talking about privacy, until you see Apple and Amazon and Google and Facebook and Twitter, and Verizon and AT&T all sitting at the table, we're just doing window dressing. We're just talking about privacy in the abstract. So we are paying attention to this as astutely as we possibly can, and we are paying attention to our customers' campaigns as astutely as we possibly can. If you've got questions or need me to go with you, it's Eric at mlive.com.